Here's how to make a World of Warcraft AI video. First, you should open a web browser and find a World of Warcraft screenshot. Then download that screenshot. You may also take a screenshot from the World of Warcraft video game. To do so, use Alt-Z to hide your UI. Next, you need to open a new tab on your web browser. Using the search bar, navigate to midjourney.com. You may need to create an account if you do not have one. If you have an existing account, log into your account. Once you are in, navigate to the Edit tab on the right-hand side of the screen. Once the editor loads, open your Downloads history from the top of your web browser. Click and drag your World of Warcraft screenshot into where it says Edit Uploaded Image in the editor. At the top of the screen where it says What will you imagine in gray text, describe your image, but do so in live action terms or updated graphics. For example, I will write World of Warcraft live action cinematic trailer presents, and then my prompt. After writing your prompt, click the Retexture tab on the top left-hand side of the screen, then click Submit Retexture on the top right-hand side of the screen. You may need to wait up to 10 minutes, depending on your account level, for Midjourney to process your request. Once the job has been processed, find the image that stylistically matches what you are looking for, then click Download Image on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. From here, open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to an AI image-to-video website, such as Kling or Hailu. For this example, we will be using Runway ML, which is the most popular option at the moment. Sign into your Runway account or create an account if you do not have one. Then, on the left-hand side of the screen, click Start a Session. You may name this session if you wish. Reopen your Downloads history or Downloads folder, then drag your newly retextured screenshot onto where it says Drop an image or video. Once the image has been uploaded, describe your shot in terms of camera motion, lighting, or effects. You may also adjust camera motion by clicking the camera icon on the left-hand side of the screen, but only if you choose the lower quality Turbo option. When you are satisfied with your prompt, click Generate at the bottom of the screen. It may take some time to process your request, and results have varying quality based on the chosen image or prompt. So don't be afraid to change the image, the prompt, or start over from a fresh screenshot if you aren't getting the results you wanted. Once the clip has been rendered, download the clip by clicking the download icon, shaped like an arrow. Or you may choose to increase the resolution of your clip by clicking Actions, Upscale Video to 4K. After you have downloaded the clip, drag it from your downloads history into your video editor of choice. I use Adobe Premiere Pro, but there are free options as well. From here, the process is just like making any other video. Arrange clips on the timeline, add music, sound effects, or voiceover, if you so choose. Remember that video game music is covered under Creative Commons on YouTube. This means you can use the original game score in your project. With all that in mind, be sure to check out any video on this channel for examples of World of Warcraft AI videos. This channel may have been the original, but all are welcome to create videos on YouTube. Thank you, and please consider leaving a comment, liking, or subscribing.